Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, scroll all the way down to access Biometrics and tap on Face Recognition at the top. Now enter your current login method. Read all of the instructions and disclaimers, and when you're done, tap on Continue. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to, and finally click on Home button. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!